Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813812, and today we have a 2011 Holden Colorado LTR dual cab ute, stock reference number 4396. The shape runs from the 5th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2011. It has a 10H9E 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 10H9E 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on both sides as well as the front and the roof. We have the right hand fog light, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloyed mags. Left front has an average tyre. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It's got a factory fitted sports bar with all bolts and brackets. Left hand tail light. Tailgate has multiple small dents. Right hand tail light. Got a right hand chrome power door mirror, driver's side door trim, power window master switch, central Loctite. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey cloth centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, silver type with the Mr button, factory 6-stack CD player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.